Hey guys, this is Mike the Scrapper. I got an awesome new video for you called Scrapping a Foreclosure. Now, the video is going to be cut into 3 parts because the video is so big and my trailer is so small, I had to break it up. So now this is the first part and I hope you like it. Alright, so this is the foreclosure that I'm going into. And let's take a view of the side and the back of the house. As you can see, there's a railing there and this garbage can has... Oh, looks like some aluminum siding there. That'll be awesome. Now on the side here, we're looking at a lot of garbage. I do see some metal, so this will be fun to pull out. Hopefully there's no rats in here. Now looking in the back, pretty big yard. Alright, here's a swing set. Hopefully it's not cemented into the ground. Awesome. That's going to be easy to pull apart. Now let's take a look at the back. I see a lot of plastic. Nothing really that I want here. Now, these lawnmowers do look good. This one looks pretty brand new. So if I can get these guys working, I can probably sell them instead of just scrapping them. The fuel tank is empty on this one, so that leads me to believe that the others are also empty. This looks like an easy fix. And here's another lawnmower that looks like the handle might be broken there. But that's not impossible to fix there. Alright, so we have here, looks like a piece of cast aluminum. And just touring the side here, I do see a few things that I do want. So this is going to be a fun foreclosure. Now, let's see what is in this garage. So now that the garage is going to be open, and I scared the hell out of you guys, let's see what's actually in here. Alright, so it does smell like cat feces and cat urine, but besides that, I do see a few things here I like. The exercise equipment, there might be something in the shelving. I see another piece of exercise equipment, ooh, and a battery. Alright. So now we're going into the, guess it's the laundry room, and you can see they left me a washer dryer, and it looks like some brooms back there. Going into the other room, I see a chair, a vacuum. Looks like this might have been a bedroom. And I see a fan. Now walking out of that room, you can see the staircase to the upstairs. And this is another room. This might be, I guess, a family room. And there is some metal in here. A lot of board games. And I did see this PS4, I was pretty happy, and I was like, hey, when I touched it, it's an empty box, forget it. Now, this is the wood-burning stove. The owner now wants to keep it, so I'm pretty cool with that. I see here a dehumidifier. Some speakers on the shelf there. Also, there's a lamp, another piece of exercise equipment. Wow, another vacuum cleaner. And a piano. So now I'm going to play you a song. Thank you very much. I would take the piano, but it's mainly wood, and there's like a small piece of steel in there, and some few pieces of brass, but I'm not really interested. So now let's go upstairs and see what's on the, I guess, first floor. All right, so now it looks like we're in the living room. And again, I do see a lot of board games. It's a few pieces of metal. I know a lot of you guys that do those swap meets would love to take stuff like this desk and that cabinet, and sell it for a few bucks, but that's not my style. So now we're in the kitchen, and I see a microwave, a stove, a fan, a coffee maker, toaster, dishwasher, and that motor. Now here is a double door refrigerator. And what's in here? Things to do. So now let's see what's in this refrigerator.
Oh!
So now, after looking at everything in the kitchen, we did see this refrigerator. So now, the refrigerator is working, but there is plenty of food in here, and it does smell. There is a foul odor coming from the food. And as you can see in the freezer, there is actually mold growing on the ice cream. That is gross. This is going to be a big cleanup. So now let's start heading into the other rooms here. This is a closet. Oh boy. And this is the bathroom. The light isn't working in here, but I did look in and there's really nothing in here that I want. So I guess this is the master bathroom or master bedroom. And this is the master bathroom. Again, nothing really I want. Maybe that shelf unit back there in that scale. Opening the closet, I do see a computer tower, some cables, and a old monitor. Now walking into the other room, this might have been the boys' room. Looks like a drum set. Nothing really in the closet. And this looks like the daughter's room. So now this is the foreclosure, and we're going to start getting to work on taking everything apart. Now I put up these bins because I'm trying to separate wire, maybe some aluminum, maybe some copper, whatever I can do, small pieces of steel. That way it's easier for me when I dump the trailer. Now, looking through the closet, I didn't really find too many things. A lot of papers and clothing and stuff and pieces of textile. And I did find this nutcracker. It's pretty cool. My wife will like that. The only thing that scared me looking through this closet was maybe like a rat or something jumping out at me. Or maybe a raccoon. But no, there was nothing else in there. I did find some rods, like some pieces of steel. But besides that, nothing much. So now, the washing machine and dryer. Oh, this looks like a nightmare in here. Everything is tight. There's smell of like moldy fabrics around, and it's just, ugh. I wish I would have put on a mask when I was in here. Now here, I'm just too lazy to go back and get my tools. It's pretty warm inside the house, and it is warm outside. These camera angles were almost impossible to do because I wanted to show you a complete set of all different angles, but I couldn't do it with the design of the house. If you like this video so far, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to this video and to my videos, please subscribe. Alright, so now I'm finding all this change, which is pretty cool. Kind of like when you get a new dryer or gonna scrap a dryer and you shake it and all this change falls out of it. This is what I found here. Now just remember, this is part 1 of scrapping or foreclosure. There's going to be 2 to 3 more parts after this one. Now, because I have limited time to take everything out. I'm just going to take apart the wiring and leave the washing machine as it is. I'd love to strip the motors and strip the washing machines, but I need the trailer and I don't have enough space at home to put all these appliances. So these items here are going to pretty much fill up my truck. So now you saw me scrapping all these items from the first floor, taking the washer dryer, all the other units. Now what's left is the upstairs and that garage. So let's start in this bedroom. So now this bedroom doesn't have much stuff, but I did find some more change. So now I'm just having fun here, throwing stuff out the window instead of walking it down the stairs. So now that that bedroom is done, time to work on the other one. I'm looking through this bag and I see what looks like pieces of drum set. Now, I'm not really into drums. I don't sell stuff on eBay much or put stuff like this on there. I don't know what this stuff is. I don't have time to, go through it. I don't know if this stuff is gonna last, and I don't want to put something on to sell that, 30 days from now someone's gonna say they want their money back for it. So all this stuff is just gonna get scrapped. Now this is a pretty cool gun. It looks like a BB gun or a pellet gun, and this will look awesome in my man cave. So now we're in the master bedroom. That looked like something for like pH balance of your soil for like planting in your garden. So So finally, it's almost getting done. I'm just going to pick up a few things here because my trailer is getting full. And I will be back once I scrap the trailer to start picking up the stuff in the garage. That one's going to be part 2. So as you can see, I do have a full trailer. Now everything in back of the truck is to be taken apart or has more value than steel, so I'm going to keep that. When I was driving away, I did see this on another curb. Alright guys, that was a pretty cool video. Like I said, that is one of 3. Now as you can see, the gun is on display there, because I thought it was a pretty cool prop, and I thought I'd keep it. So this is Mike the Scrapper. Please comment, like, subscribe. Till then, peace! Thank you for watching this video. I put up 3 more that you can click on to watch any of these videos right now. If you liked the video you just saw, please click the like button. If you're not a subscriber, please click the subscribe button up above. Thank you for watching.